You'll have to forgive me. I'm getting over a cold. We have 75 miles per hour wind gusts going on outside in the Northern Virginia area, and I thought, why not try something that won't give me diarrhea, like Bird's Nest Drink by Foco. I've seen this pop up a few times. I think it's a classic Vietnamese drink, but I'm sure it's popped up in a lot of other countries as well. And I've also heard of Bird's Nest Soup, which I think comes from bat dung. And I'm wondering if this is gonna taste any similar to that. So it says you should chill and shake well for better flavor, and that this does contain white fungus. So maybe it's more of a mushroom-like drink. But let's go ahead and open up because we're not gonna know unless we find out. I'll go ahead and pour it into a quick glass so we get a sense of the look and the flavor. It's pretty clear looking. I can see chunks. I'm putting in way too much. I don't know if I'm gonna finish all that. Oh boy. You know, if this magically illuminates my health faster than the Dayquil I took an hour ago, I would be thoroughly pleased. Let's get a little bit of a whiff. There's not much of an aroma there. Now I'm scared. I'm gonna assume just all these little particles are just bits of like mushroom? I don't know. Could be anything. Alright, this is something Mama Bird left for me to taste in tin can form. Here we go. I'm gonna take one more sip, hold on. Sugar, water, fungus, and that's it. It is exactly what the ingredients say. That's what it tastes like. It's got a little bit of like a rice soda or a rice drink texture to it too. But it's, yeah, that's water, sugar, and these chunks of fungus. It's not terrible, but I don't know if I drink this regularly or even on many occasions. It just exists. And knowing that you're gonna put a bird's nest label on top of it just makes me more weary of ever wanting to try it ever. If you want a crowd pleaser for a group of friends, I mean, they won't be pleased probably, but if you want to try something just for the sake of trying, go for it. They're like 99 cents at like your local Grand Mart. But I don't think I'd ever want to have this again. It's not bad. I'll take one more sip. It just tastes odd. Kind of like medicine in a way. Alright, well this was just a quick fancy taste today, and you know, after trying this I can't imagine how many Urban Dictionary bird's nest definitions there are. A penis that is so small it does not hang and barely pokes beyond the pube line, giving it the appearance of a hatched baby bird and 2 eggs. The toilet paper shield that some people construct around the seat of a public toilet so that they don't contract any of the various forms of ass and sexual diseases that thrive on porcelain. A girl's unshaved vagina, puss, fur burger. It somewhat resembles a bird's nest minus a bird, unless you still want to slip your bird in there. Oh my god. When you go over to a toilet to take a dump and you look in the toilet to find out that someone left a surprise for you in there, someone that used a whole roll of toilet paper and clogged up the shitter and then took a massive dump on top of that. It's floating on top of the water with a turd nestled inside, mostly found at factory bathrooms, truck stops, and fast food. Well yeah, I'm sure you'll definitely find that in a local Jack in the Box.